Hi everybody, this is my Python project. Let me explain the project. This Python file is database connection. This file is for fully view pages, every methods and everything is handled here. I'm having templates folder. Here I'm having view files, which means add, delete user page, edit user page, index page, resize user page, success page, view user page, view page. So these are the templates I'm using in this my project. This is the static folder. Here I'm having a folder called uploads where the uploaded images will be stored. Now I'm opening my users DB. Here I'm opening a database connection and creating a table. I'm giving the required data fields, everything I'm given here. So initially, to run my database file, I'm just clicking on F5. Now database opened successfully and table created successfully. Along with this message, you will see another file, users database file is created here. So this is my Python file. I'm using Flask. In this Python file, I'm using Flask-sqlite3. Pill library file which is used for image upload. Datetime which is used to calculate date of birth in a date format, like that. Resize images. Here I'm having an option of resize the uploaded image. For that I'm using this. So this is the upload folder where the uploaded images will be stored. Now in index page I'll be having two links. One is add, another one is view. On clicking of the add, it comes to this method. In that add file, view template file, I'm having a method called save details. So the entered informations can be stored in this function by using insert query. I'm calling the database connection, inserting the got values into the database table users. Once the user added successfully, we will get message user successfully added, or else we cannot add user to the list. This message will be displayed. Now this is the view method where all the records from the database will be displayed by each row. So I fetch all the data, it will be displayed in view page. This is view user. I'm passing ID for along with the user, every user we will be passing ID to show the individual user page with profile picture. Along with profile picture, here I'm getting the date of birth from table and calculating the age. Here I'm calculating by the current calculating the age by current day. So the result value, I'm using a round function. The result value may have more than 4 or 5 digits, so I'm making round of it. For that I'm using the round function. This age will be passed to the template page. Now resize user function, I'm having a button called resize user for all the users. Once if we want to resize the image, because the stored images will be very large, to make them in small size, I'm giving here 200 200. Whatever the image size, it will be converted into 200 width, 200 height. For that, here I'm getting profile pic in that image, and from the folder I'm reading that image and resizing that particular image, again saving back to that uploads folder. So this is the resize user. And edit user, if I have entered some data wrongly, I want to make correct something, I made mistake, I want to rectify it. For that I'm going for edit user. Here also with respect of ID we can edit user information. So here I'm having the records, data, name, email, gender, contact number, date of birth, everything. already the data will be stored in the database, just we are updating. So I'm using update query to update the information. Now I'm having a delete user button. If I want to delete the entire record, for that purpose I'm using delete user, passing the id, so I can delete the entire record from the database. So now just to run this file, double click on this file. So here you will be getting the URL. Copy this URL, paste here. So this is my index page. In my index page I'm having add user, view user. First of all I'll show you the view user. There is no record initially added here, so go back to home. Let me add a user. I'm adding test user. test@gmail.com email id. I'm giving you something mail. Randomly I'm giving phone number like 123456. So I'm giving date of birth, uploading a profile pic. So let me upload. So I'm registering the user. You are seeing the message, good, user successfully added. So username test, everything we entered, no, check those details, mail, randomly given phone number, date of birth, everything added here. So the image also will be uploaded in this static uploads folder. So this is the image we have uploaded, which is the size of the image is 2976. So this is the actual size of the image. Now we go for view page. So the image is displayed here, name, gender, contact number, date of birth, email id. Here I said no, we are calculating age from the date of birth, so 20.7 years. So we got this information. Now just I want to edit the user. For example, instead of this 123 I want to add some other number. So this is the number I have to add, and then instead of test I may add Suman, like this. So I'm updating view user. The records we have changed, no, Suman, updated phone number. So those information will be here also, everything changed. Now this is the resize button I explained for resizing the actual uploaded image. I'm clicking this resize button, the image will be resized. So go back to the folder, refresh the folder. Initially it was 2000 something, now you can see 200 into 200. This is the size of the image. So all the images will be cropped in 200, resized into 200. Now if we go for a view individual page, we can see the difference of the image. So this is the image, resized image. Last option is delete. If I don't want this record, if I want to delete this entire record, I'm having an option of delete. Once I click on delete button, the entire record will be deleted. That's it. This is my project. Thank you all.